Hey folks, welcome back to S.T.E.M. So, we're going to do an experiment to see if we can get this egg. So it's a hard-boiled egg that's then been peeled, to see if we can get it inside the glass bottle. So to do this, we're going to light a piece of paper, or you can use a match, and we're going to drop it in the bottle and then sit the egg over the top. So you might want to get an adult to help. Yay! The whole egg's not gone in, but certainly most of it did. The suction worked. Maybe if you get a smaller egg, it might work better. Okay, remember, post your pictures on social media. Be safe when you're doing it, especially using lighters and matches and stuff. Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.